Welcome everybody. I'm going to show you what comes inside your camera case. First off, open it up. You should see kind of everything laying out similar to this. Sometimes it might be slightly different, but it should look similar. You have your battery charger right here. Here's the batteries. Here's the cable to charge it, USB. Here's the actual camera itself. Camera can extend a little bit. You got straps, these also extend, and you have different straps that you can take these off and mount these instead. Here's your power cable. This is to be able to plug this into here if you want to plug this up to the computer, or plug it into an external battery pack. Lastly, you have your foot pedal. You can do video, photo, and it's connected via Bluetooth. And that's it.